Kitchen. I know I've been gone for a while, but I'm back now. Now today I am going to be showing you all how to make tuna macaroni salad. I like to start off by making my tuna first. As you can see, I have already chopped up my onions, my bell peppers, and my eggs, and I have the tuna here in the bowl. Now, first thing is first. What I like to do is I like to add my seasonings. I'm going to use some natural seasoning here. Put that aside. I like to use some Tarragon. Everything that I'm using will be in the video of how much and everything. Onion powder. This may sound a little weird to y'all, but I use a little oregano. Don't ask me, just trust me. It's good. Then I use me some garlic powder here. Black pepper. And my complete seasoning. All right, so I got all that in there.
And that's all your dry ingredients?
Those are all the dry ingredients. Then I go ahead, I use a little minced garlic here. It doesn't matter what blend, just as long as it's some minced garlic. And it only take a little bit of that. Then I use a little salt. Just a little bit. Now, I'm finna go ahead with my wet ingredients.
You're missing sandwich bread.
Oh, get it out for the refrigerator for me, baby. Okay, I'm going to be using my wet ingredients, which is going to be some mustard, sweet relish, mayonnaise, and sandwich spread. Now,
that your beautiful assistant remembered.
Yeah, that my daughter remembered. I forgot. Lord knows I did. I'm so sorry, babies. But anyway, I started out with a little yellow mustard. That ain't me. That's the mustard, y'all. All right. My little reddish here. And don't be bashful. I'm just showing y'all the technique. Now, if y'all feel like y'all need to add a little bit more to whatever, then that's what y'all do. But I'm just letting y'all know this is how I make mine. Some mayonnaise here. And of course, my sandwich spread. If I can get it open, y'all. I really do hope everybody out there in the world has been doing good and been making it by the grace of God. And like I say, I must apologize for being gone for so long. But like I say, I'm back now. And I will have a video up for y'all next week. So anyway, now that I have all of this in there, go ahead and combine all this together. And y'all see how that came together? Now, some of you all out there may have made it a little loose. That's okay. Because once you add the noodles, everything is going to combine together. So I'll be back in about 5 minutes or so to show you how everything comes together. As you can see, the tuna has chilled. The noodles have been drained and cooled. And this is just an easy step. Once you have gotten your noodles all chilled and cool, you're just going to incorporate them in with the tuna itself. And then you just give it a nice good stir. And that is all. So I'm going to show you how I do this. Because like I said, for some of you out there who may have made it just a little too wet, a little too loose, don't worry about it, because once you add the noodles in, everything comes together anyway. And it all depends on how thick or how loose you make your tuna. Will depend on how much noodles you want to add to it. Just got to rest my spoon more. So I'm just going to add just a little bit more noodles here.
And what is this a good dish for?
This is a good dish for a barbecue, little small family to get together. It's actually just good for yourself. You can take this to lunch and, you know, just have it for something just quick and easy as a little side dish if you want. It's just something real simple, easy, because the summertime is coming up and you want something that everybody's going to enjoy. And if you follow this recipe, I'm quite sure you'll have an outstanding time with it. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. Now I have a separate bowl. I'm just going to show you here. Now that everything is combined. And that's it. And if you want to get a little fancy, I thought I had. If you want to get a little fancy, add you just a little tap of paprika on top. Little garnish. And there you have it. Now I want you all out there to like and subscribe. And stay tuned, because Auntie Kim gonna be having more videos coming soon. Love y'all and be safe.